Good morning everyone. How are you guys? So I'm gonna do a weekly vlog again this week. I've been loving doing weekly vlogs. They've been so much fun. And again, I do have a few things that I am doing this week. Oh, I forgot. I made my, some people asked what was in my strawberry squeeze smoothie. So I made another one in my, what is it? Starbucks tumbler. But yeah, no, I literally just put frozen strawberries, frozen banana, which I cut up I just bought a pack of frozen strawberries and cut up my own banana. I put I put apple juice and I put strawberry yogurt in it. So literally that's all it is. I literally just got the recipe from Boost Juice because that's like my favorite one. And I just make it at home and it's so much cheaper. So yeah. It literally tastes like the strawberry squeeze from Boost Juice. It's so good. So today I am going to get my hair done. I'm thinking of cutting it a little bit shorter. Yeah, I don't know, like it's at that weird length where I either keep growing it or get it cut a little bit shorter. So I'm thinking I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter. And I'm just getting foils again today. I'm actually going with Lane today. So Elle is away, so Lane is going to do my hair, which is exciting. And then I'm going to go see my nephews this afternoon. And tomorrow I am getting lip fillers. So I've had lip fillers before. Like as you can see, like when I smile, you can't really see my top lip. Like it's not, yeah. I just want it so when I don't have makeup on or anything and I smile, it's still visible. I notice it a lot. It's like one of my little weaknesses that I don't like. So I was unsure if I wanted to get them done again because I have had them done before. So I'm gonna see if I can take you along with me and get my lips done. I know there's like a big controversy, you don't need it, all that kind of stuff, but it's just a little insecurity that I am about myself. It's when I smile and I don't smile. So everyone tells me to smile and I don't like to smile because of that reason. So I know that sounds really stupid, but it just gave me a little bit more confidence, and if it gives you a little bit more confidence, then why not? Yeah, and I kind of want it for my birthday as well. Like it'll be my birthday present for myself, which is very soon. I'm so excited. 2 weeks away until then I go to Gold Coast, Brisbane, Noosa and Byron. So that will be so much fun. I've never been to Byron before, so I'm really excited. But yeah, I have a few parcels in the mail. Working away is so much fun, so I have like 4 to pick up. So I might go do that now and then go to my hair appointment, which is in like half an hour. So yeah. So what do you think? I got it cut a little bit shorter. I think it looks really cool. I like it. I love it. Lane did my hair this time and not Elle. So yeah, love it being a lot shorter. It's like just under my collarbones. So yeah, I'm loving it. I'm so not used to having like short hair, but I'm digging it. I am digging the blunt like cut. But I do have some parcels to unbox because I've been away. So let's unbox them together. Okay. I think hopefully this is a good lighting. First one. I think this is from Hair and Me. I think. I don't actually know. Oh, actually, no. No, it is. So I got something from Hair and Me. So they were sending me over their new deep repair hair mask. So I got that one. They sent me this to try out. Super excited. Next one, I think it's from Mecca. So I got a parcel from Mecca. Ooh, ooh, testers. Self-tan. Oh, I wanted to try these self-tanning drops for your face. That's cool. What did I get? So I just got a restock of my favorite moisturizer, the Drunk Elephant moisturizer, the Lala Retro. I got the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So I've seen so much stuff about this. It looks so nice. And I got my Mecca Beauty box. So let's see what I got in my Mecca Beauty box. Oh my god! Oh, yes! Oh my god! I've been wanting to try this for so long. It's the translucent setting powder by Hourglass. Oh my god, I am so excited. Oh, it's so cute and mini! Mini! Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. Oh, I am so excited. I've been wanting to try it for so long. So cute. And then I got the Moon Cream Cleanser by Osmero Budapest. So I got that. That's a good size. It's a good size. I got a YSL small, like a mini lipstick. Ooh, in like a really nice fuchsia kind of like reddish coral. I like that. And then I got a sample of the Coco Cabana cream, which smells so freaking good. Yes, I'm so excited to try them. I got another parcel. I think this is from Nudie Glow. They wanted to send me some stuff to try. So ooh, another tester. Yeah, so it's just from Nudie Glow. How cute. And then inside, your little like face roller and that. Oh, it's so cute. So excited to try this. These look so good. I'm excited. Pretty keen to try that. They are so cute. And then last but not least, I got a hat from Lack of Colors. So Lack of Colors, they got some really cool cool hats, and the one I wanted was out of stock for ages, and it's finally come back in stock, and I had to have it. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Oh, like this really nice bag. Keep that in. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I hope I got the right size. So this is the one I got. So it's the Ranger Special, I think it's called. Yeah, and oh my god, perfect. Oh, I love it. Oh, I need to put my like front hair forward. Oh, it's so cool. I love this hat. Yay! So, okay, I'm literally so obsessed. Oh, okay. My new favorite hat, guys. So gorgeous. So nice. I just love like the detail of it. Oh, it looks so nice. And like the brimming as well, like just having that brim, and this is so nice. So nice. Hello everyone. So I'm off to my appointment to go get my lips done, so hopefully I can record in there. Renee and I just went for a walk and went and got coffee. By the way, Chapter coffee, fucking so good. I absolutely love it. It's the best coffee ever. So good. But yeah, I'm so excited. Ned and I are going out tonight. I'm so excited. I haven't been out in so long. But yeah, we're gonna go out, and hopefully my lips, like, I can go out with my lips. Like, they're not like too cray-cray, but they should be fine. I'm really nervous. Like, I've had my lips done before, but like, I remember the pain. Like, it's a little bit of a pain, but yeah. So I'm gonna laser clinics in Rocky to get them done. That's where I got them done before. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. And then yeah, this afternoon I'm not really doing anything. I've got to figure out what I'm gonna wear. And yeah, so hopefully when next you'll see some footage of me getting my lips done. See you then. Alright, so I actually couldn't film in there. They pretty much said like I couldn't film due to like laser clinics like thing. But yeah, it was I think they look really good. I'll probably show you when I get home what they look like. They are still like, they're going to be swollen. I like swell up a lot anyway, so, but I like when they're swollen. Okay, so I'm back home. I can finally show you guys what my lips look like. So this is what my lips look like. I am tan in the face at the moment, so I reckon they look really nice. They are quite swollen, so they will go down a bit in like 2 days or so, but yeah. Go on, buddy, go and get it. Go on, bring it back. Nah. Hey, Kiwi. Can you go long? Ready? Go get it. What was that? Hey, buddy. It is so dark. Hello, guys, and welcome back. So it's my birthday next week, and Mum and Dad gave me my present early. Well, they gave me my present, however, I have to make it. They didn't make it for me. So they got me some chairs. I'm going to take you out with me and show you. I still can't believe it. They got me chairs and I have to build them. Like, bitch, what the fuck? But yeah, I'll show you guys what they got me. Hey, Bubbas, what you doing? Hey? So I have to build these. Yeah, hey, darling. Okay, so it's like 5:30 now and it's taken me so fucking long to do this, but so happy. It looks amazing. So this is what it looks like. I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. I'm gonna get something for that pot over there, but I don't think I'm gonna keep that plant there just yet. I want to put maybe like a pink plant or pink pot or something, because I have a pink pot over there. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm going to get a fire pit here. So I really want to get like a fire pit, see if I can find one in Brisbane, and so we can like sit and have a fire here. It would be so nice. But yeah, what do you guys think? Took me years, I mean years, to set this up. Hey buddy. And look, there's all my shit everywhere. But hey buddy, it took a while, but outside for ages, hey? Hey kitty girl, you like it? Hey, oi. Do you like it? She don't even give a shit. But yeah, what do you guys think? I'm obsessed. I'm going to say my goodbyes here. I hope you liked this vlog. Next time, look, there's my boxes. But next week I will be in Brisbane, so I'm in Brisbane, Gold Coast, Byron and Noosa. So I'm going to be definitely vlogging for that. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye guys.